Hello my friends, I've got a new little gear that's going to solve a lot of my problems with using my cell phone to take these videos. Now, 5 years ago when I started documenting my trails, I used only the cell phone, and I was always cautious about holding it like this. If I was close to water, felt like it would fall, or close to a cliff or whatever, just felt uncomfortable. And not only that, I always get my fingers in the shot. And it would be a shot that I wanted to keep. Most of the time we just delete out those finger shots. But anyway, so watching one of my that I subscribed to, Bigfoot I think was his name, but he introduced me to this JOBY, a little tripod, and it served me well. And of course, once I got that was all well and good, and I felt somewhat secure. My only problem with that was when I finished taking the shot on the trail, what to do with it. I would try to stick it in these cargo pants pockets like this, and then hike down the trail with this sticking out. And it just got to where that didn't work. Felt too funny bumping on my leg horizontal like that. Didn't use the little tripod. I got my wife to sew, if you notice a little black line here, she sewed about 4 inches to split this pocket, so when I finished I could just drop it in there and it wouldn't turn sideways. It wasn't anything worse than trying to hike with this thing sideways like that. I didn't like it. So watching a channel that I subscribe to, and his name is Dan Goes Hiking, and interesting channel. He puts out some good information for you, especially on this in-reach programs, plans. And the last one I watched was that. But I've got this from him, piece of gear. I realized it was something that I could use and I needed. So let me get set up and I'll introduce you to it. I had to put my backpack on because this is required for this. But this is it. It's let me show you how it works. Just a little detail here, similar to a tripod, but it's not a tripod. Let's put it on. You have to tighten it up in the back this way. It's not spring loaded. Now this has a action camera connection here, so you can use it as a helmet camera. But now look at that. Isn't that neato? Now it's not going to fall out. It's not going to go anywhere, and you're not going to get your fingers in it because you're busy holding it down here. So now it comes with a I guess a cold shoe, a hot shoe, whatever you call them. If you're putting lights, maybe a microphone or something. It also comes with a shutter button, Bluetooth shutter button that you can use. I'm not using it, but isn't that neato? Now the best thing about it is, let me put it down for a second. Best thing about it is that you have to buy a case that has a belt clip. If you got a daisy chain, this belt clip will go up here, and of course after you finish with your shot, you just snap it back in. And it ain't coming out. So that solves the finger problem and what to do with it after you do some shooting. Of course, I think now that I've got this figured out, I'll probably do some more trail shots, because it was such a hassle to get the phone out and put it on the tripod and so forth. Here it is, it's all together, already together. Just start shooting either hand. So anyway, that's it. Thought you'd be interested. Now, this is sold by a company called JOBY, J-O-B-Y. This is grip type POV. Now I assume the POV is point of view, but anyway, JOBY's not making it anymore. There was only 2 left at Amazon. I'll put a link down there so you can go to it, look at the specifications if you like. But it is sold at Walmart. They're still sold at Walmart, and I saw them on eBay. Now I think there was like $4 or $5 more than what I paid for it. but they're gone from Amazon. I checked it before I did this video. They're gone. So eBay, Walmart, you just have to Google shop, and like I said, I'll put the name up here for you. JOBY Grip Tight POV Kit, I think is what it's called. But anyway, thanks for watching. But this here will solve a lot of my problems with using my cell phone. After you shoot your video, let me see, I'm still getting used to it. You come up here and snap it right back in place some kind of way. Hold on. Jeez, a ring. Oh, this way. No wonder I couldn't figure it out. So there you go. You walking down. There you want to shoot something, you just reach up here. I'm still learning how to do it. You have to reach up here and pull it out.